Alright, welcome back. So, the hinge. Alright, so I'm doing these hinges. I had to trim some off each side. I put some dry ice lube on the hinge center points, so that way they don't get if they get glue on them, they won't lock up. But the problem I was having, I was trying to come up with different ways to put them in and all this crazy, trying to make, clamp them down on one side and do that, screw that. So went to just eyeing it. So I'm putting the two outside hinges in first, and I'll let them set up a little bit, because right now I'm gonna let them, when that slow cure starts kind of setting up, I can still move stuff and tweak it as needed. So I want to make sure that I can, get two hinges right, and then once those two are dried and cured, then these will just match that much easier. It'll make it easier. So my intention is once these are dry, is just kind of clamp them down to the table and then put the other hinges in and clamp them as well, and then just glue them. That way it kind of sets those two for me. But these, I kind of eyed them up. I got the center line here with the two pieces to go together. I don't really trust that, but I'm kind of trying to get the pivot point in the center of the hinge on both ends. And then of course I used kind of an L, like an angle here, to get 90 degrees off this surface. So it's 90 degrees here from here, and it's 90 degrees here. So it's perpendicular to that hinge line, and it's 90 degrees to it. I'll keep checking that. The issue is getting them both the same depth. So I'll kind of check that again once things start setting up a little bit more. But that's kind of what I'm working with right now. Absolutely hate hinges. Hinges have always been the worst part of any build, in my opinion. That's my opinion. Even back with doing balsa builds with CA hinges and Dubro hinges and planes that you build, I hate it. It's just as bad as in jets. So anyways, well, I'll get there. Hopefully I don't screw these up and have to cut them out and start over with some different hinges, because I only got 4. But worst case, I will pull them out before they completely cure and start over. So a little short video of what's going on. This is taking up the whole evening, so I can't really start something else because I'm kind of having to tweak these things. So, but once this is done, the rest will be kind of more of a standard build. So I'll get back to that after these hinges are done. So you guys take it easy. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat and check these in a little bit. Later.